Good morning, guys. I took the day off yesterday from streaming. The holiday yesterday, man. We had a nice cookout, went swimming. My face up, a little burnt up. Yeah, had a good day, man. Great weekend, man. Blessed weekend. How's everybody doing, man? Let's hit the charts. See what's going on with my kick people. What's up, kick people? All right. I'm on a 2-minute chart today. We're dropping, man. Man, this looks like a sell. Right here on this fair value gap. Just look for a win for the day, guys. That's it. Let me check US 30. I don't like US 30 as much. I like NAS a little better. Let me get ready. I'm in, guys. I'm in the cell right here. Right on that fair value gap. All right, let's see what happens now. Oh, there you go. You put cinnamon?
Yeah.
Thank you. All right. Tea is ready. US 30 dropping again. Let me see. No. Gold's still dropping. And it's still early, guys. We got plenty of time. NAS is going up a little further. Let's check the news situation. I don't think there's any news unless they open the government. What's today? Today's the 14th. Let's see. No news. Oh, wait a minute. There is news at 12:20. The Fed Chair Powell speaks. Powell's speaking today. That could be big. Everything else for the week says tentative. So I guess unless the government opens, it's not going to be revealed. But today, Powell is speaking, the Fed chair, at 12:20. I won't be on the stream. I might come back on around 3 for the power hour. But I won't be on at 12, man. It's crazy. Let's see. Okay, that's bad news, but all right. I'll take it as it comes, my friend. All right, it's bad news. We jumped above the 200. One of the reasons I took this was one, the fair value gap, and two, the 200 was right there, which acts as a support and a resistance. And it's really a powerful one. If you look here, just right here, you can see it coming up to it and rejecting down, rejecting down. It always seems to do that. Now, of course, I don't mean always, but you know what I mean. It does it a lot. So let's see if we can pull below the 200 again and get back on track here. Still early, guys. We got plenty of time. US 30 looks like it's dying out here. Could drop. Gold is going to come here for sure, I would think, before it reverses. Same with NAS. If this goes up, I believe it's going to come here first. Sweep this area, then go up. We'll see. Only they know what shenanigans they're gonna pull on us today, you know? Know what I'm saying? Last week, guys, we had a great week. We got 620 pips for the week. Pretty damn good. So if you were trading a standard lot, you were up $6,200 last week, just on the live stream, guys. Pretty awesome. This week, yesterday was a holiday, so we're behind the eight ball a bit. All trades from last week were closed in profit. So we're not holding any trades from last week. And yeah, fresh week. It's Tuesday already, so we missed a day. Yesterday was a holiday. I don't like to trade on holidays usually. Sometimes I'll trade, but I don't go live. I like to hang out with my family on holidays, man. Yesterday we had a great day, man. Had a barbecue, went swimming, shot some pool. Got a little color. I feel a little burnt up. So all in all, it was a great day, man. Great weekend. Feeling blessed as always. Hope you guys had a great weekend, man. All right, this is going to drop, man. Don't worry about that. Try to tee out. I was so tired last night, guys. I got on the stream for Sosana for the live stream. It's on my channel if you want to check it out. I was actually sitting there falling asleep, man. I was so tired, man. Good stream though. We're starting to get bigger turnout. That coin's gonna go far, man. Believe you me. Let me put the link here. Watch this video on the link, guys. Where is it? Here it is. Watch the first video on that page. It's about 10 minutes. I think you'll get the idea why this coin's going to be huge, man. Just imagine when it's 5,000 people or 10,000 people and $500,000 in the wallet. It's going to be epic, bro. The people that made the coin are all right out in the open. They're doing live streams. They're showing their faces. They're in the group chat on Telegram. You can ask them anything you want. They look, I don't know them personally, but they seem like genuine good dudes, man. I trust them. I feel like I trust them. I don't know them, like I said, but I didn't grow up with them or nothing. But I don't know them at all, really. But I'm just saying, like, I got a feeling. I feel like they're good dudes, man. They're all doxxed, so, and they seem very transparent. So that's all good things, man. When you're thinking about a crypto community, the community's strong. Yeah, I think it's going to be a good project, man. I think that's a $20 token easy, man. I think it could go to $100, that token. If you look, if Fartcoin could get a big market cap like that, this coin's going to blow it out. Imagine Fartcoin. What does it even do? It's just a stupid name. Imagine this token, man, what it's going to do. Once you understand the utility, you'll see what I mean. Looks like we might be dropping. We could be just retesting the 200 here. Let's see. We got to break below that. We got to close below that 200. I'm going to make a little plan here for when we're ready to take profit. All right, that's 69 pips right there. I'm going to go to 60. Right there. Right there, I'm going to take profit, guys. At least half. That'll be 30 pips. 30 pips in the bank. But 30's still running. You notice we're bouncing off the 200 so far. All right, the 1 minute looks a little better. Looks like we're trying to push down. Let me check the 5 minute. Now let's see. Come on. Let's go, baby. All right, 15 minutes to New York Open, guys. We're right around our entry now. Snooping around the entry. All right, we're in profit. Yep, I'm in profit. Yeah, it's funny, man. I was out cold on camera last night during that webinar. I was so tired, man. It's only like 9:30 at night. I had a long day, like partying and barbecuing, not drinking or nothing, just running around with the boys, my sons, out in the sun, barbecuing, swimming, shooting pool. One of my friends came over with his wife. Had a nice day, man. Beautiful. Come on, baby. Let's go. At least we're going the right direction here, guys. If you guys don't know, it's your first time on a stream, I use a purple line. Is always a TP, just so it stands out from all the noise. It's not that much noise on my charts anyway, but I always use a purple line for TP. And when I put a stop loss here, after I take profit, I usually put a stop loss. Sometimes before, depending, but very rarely before. I usually take profit, then put a stop loss so I don't go back negative. And it's always a purple line. Stop loss too. And my stop loss will always be in profit. Now we're coming down now. Should be up about 15 pips. Close to it. When I get here, guys, always take at least half. You could take 3/4. If right here in this instance, 3/4 would be about 45 pips. That's not bad. Nothing wrong with that, you know. Half is 30 pips. Yeah, and that's it. Then we'll put our stop loss in profit and let it run. I think it's going to come here and reverse. That's my guess. I don't have a crystal ball or nothing, guys. And I don't pretend to be a guru or any of that crap. There's no Lambos here. But I would think it's going to come down here and grab this liquidity if it wants to go back up. I would guess it's going to come here first. Just a guess. And I could go up now, no doubt about it. Let me check US 30. US 30's inching up. Gold dropping again. How far is it to the 200? Too close for my liking, but it's 23 pips. If your goal is 20 pips a day, guys, you could just close right at the 200 because there's a good possibility it'll reject from there. You know, it does a lot. As you see here, it just come up, retesting the 200, going up. You see many times it uses the 200 as a support and resistance. Look here, came back down here, touched it, came back down here, touched it again, came back down here near it. You can see it many times. Look, right to the 200, right to the 200, right to the 200. You can also use the 200 is important, guys. I like to have it on my chart. You can also use it to tell you the bias, you know, which way, you know, if you're going up or down, you know, it helps you determine, you know, if you look at the 200, if you zoom out, look at the 200, you know, you can figure out which way the overall market sentiment is. If the 200 is going up, you know, even if it's like this, you know you're in a bullish market. Just a tip, guys. I don't know. It just helps. It's not, you know, it's not a rule or anything. It's just helpful. Like right now, we got the 200 going down, which is, you know, seems to be going down. So it could be in a bear market. See it? Could be reversing here. I like to see a long-term reversal. That's what I want to see. And then we'll ride it all the way back up. Okay, you should be about 22 pips, 23 pips right now, something like that. Okay, we're right on the 200 now. Hopefully it won't. Hopefully it'll push through. Little rejection. Come on, baby. Push right through. We got like 6.5 minutes to New York Open. We need it to close on the other side of that 200. That's what we're looking for. Show us that it wants to keep going down. I have this session bias tool that I did throw on here, guys. If you guys, it helps, you know, it's just an indicator that shows you if the market's bullish or bearish. Let me see what the name of that was. Use Trade Sharp. Yeah, Trade Sharp session bias. If you want to try it out, throw it on your chart. Trade Sharp session bias. Right now it says mix, so it's not really helping me now, but let me see what it looks like on US 30. Mixed. Gold is saying it's bullish. Doesn't look bullish, but it's based on the daily candle. So it's not based on the 1 minute, you know. All right, we'll see. We'll try it out for a week or 2 or 3. If you see it there in 2 months, then you know I like it. Anyway, guys, if you're new, please like and subscribe. Let me check something here. I gotta go check out my kick peoples. What's up, Kick? Watch that top video, guys. You're gonna love it, man. All right. Let's see. We're pushing up a little. We still haven't closed below that 200. Oh, we're back out of profit. Sorry, guys. I got a message here. Let's see here. All right. Man, it's hot in here. I gotta turn the AC up. Hold on, guys. Here we go. There's 30 dropping. Hold on a sec. All right. All right, we're coming back down, maybe. Here we come. Here we come, guys, with vengeance. Get ready to take profit, guys. Take it anytime you want, guys. You don't have to do what I'm doing. You should be up like 45 pips. I saw 45 on my screen. Doesn't mean you're up in that. We got to close below that 200, though. That's what I want. Come on. Nope. Yep. Close below there, baby. We're closed below. Retesting off that fair value gap. Now we should drop, man. Come on. Maybe it'll close that fair value gap and drop. Let's see. Oh, look at that, man. I'm getting ready to take partials, guys. Maybe I'll take it on this fair value gap right here. Let's see how it moves. Damn. Come on, baby. Come on, one more push down. Let's go. Here it comes, guys. It's coming, guys. Don't tell me so's Christmas. Let's go, baby. Right on the 200 now. I'm on reject down. You only got a bit to go, man. Drop my phone. My goodness. Pandemonium. Glad I didn't hit the close button by accident just now. I got the button exposed and my trigger finger is twitching. Guys, take it any time. You should be up almost 40 pips already. Around 40 pips. You could take partials now. Take 3/4. That's 30 pips. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with 20 pips either, or even 10. We're pushing down. We got to get past this fair value gap now. That's the last hurdle. All right, I took partials, guys. Let me put a stop loss now. My stop loss is going to be in profit. I'm putting it right in the middle of that fair value gap for now. 24450.8. 24450.8. 450.8. All right, so that's a W, guys. Sweet W, man, for the team. Off to the right start here this week, as usual. Gotta love it, man. Gotta love it. Anybody take that trade, man? If you took it, guys, give yourself. Good for you, man. Good job, guys. Good job, man. Let me go congratulate my kick streamers. Well done, guys. Well done. All right, let's see if we can get full profit here. That's the next step. We're not done yet. It should be up about almost 100 pips already. Okay, guys, definitely get out if it sweeps this. I'm going to get out right around here in this area. Definitely get out if it sweeps this. I would definitely get out because it could reverse here. This is like a major point. This is pre-market low. So a lot of times it'll just come here, wick in here, and then reverse. Not every time, but you'll be up about 130 pips or something at that point. I mean, you know, don't give it back. Or take another partial. You could take another partial too. Yeah, that's 130 pips, man. That's what it is. All right, here we come, guys. Ready for full TP. I'm up 110 pips right now, 115, something like that. It's jumping around so much. I'm going to go. As soon as it touches the bottom of that green box, I'm out, guys. I'm out. I got out, guys. $124 pips, 125 pips. All right, guys. Do not think for 1 minute that this thing cannot reverse now, okay? It might not, but we are at the pre-market low. There's liquidity here. It could be just coming down to get this liquidity. I don't know what's going to happen now, but I'm out. I got 125 pips on that trade. I'm happy with it. Give me a W in the chat, guys, if you wrote that out. If you're still in, man, God bless. I got no problem with anyone staying in. I just want to make you aware that this, you know, this is a reversal point here. It could be. Well, it's going to keep going, maybe. All right, good. All right, here we go. A little retest. Doesn't mean anything, guys. Could still drop. Anyway, guys, we caught that perfect. Very little drawdown. Very little drawdown, you know. We caught that perfect, guys. 125 pips. I got 125 pips. You may have got more. You may have taken it over here or full. That would have been about, I don't know, 60 pips, I think it was. I forget. No, that's not the line. Here's the line. 60 pips right here. If you close full. Nothing wrong with that, guys. Anyway, guys, with that, I'm going to call it a day, man. We had a quick day today. That's how I like it. I get out in the sunshine now. Go enjoy my day. I want you guys to have a great day on purpose, guys. God bless you guys, man. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it, man. All right. Give me a like and a subscribe on your way out if you haven't done so. And cheers to you guys, man. I'll see you tomorrow morning, same time. Thanks, guys.